Survival isn't just about wilderness skills, it's about being prepared for the unexpected wherever you are. In today's world, danger doesn't only lurk in remote forests or on mountain cliffs. It can be found in the heart of our cities, in the factories that power our economies, and on the construction sites that shape our skylines. It's about handling danger anywhere. Whether you're an office worker facing a sudden emergency, or a technician working with hazardous materials, the ability to respond quickly and effectively can mean the difference between disaster and safety. Whether on a mountain peak or a construction site, the principles remain the same: awareness, preparation, and decisive action. The environments may differ, but the need for sharp instincts and practiced responses is universal. We need sharp skills and muscle memory to act instinctively when things go wrong. In high-stress moments, there's no time to think through a manual. Your body and mind must know what to do, almost automatically. Traditional training methods fall short. Feeling the heat of a fire is different from reading about it. Real danger triggers adrenaline, and only hands-on experience can truly prepare us for those moments. Enter virtual reality, VR, a game-changer in survival training. VR bridges the gap between theory and reality, offering immersive experiences that engage all your senses. VR transports you to dangerous scenarios safely, allowing practice without real-world risks. You can make mistakes, learn from them, and try again, without ever putting your life on the line. Imagine escaping a collapsing tunnel or handling a chemical spill in VR before facing the real thing. These simulations are so realistic, your brain and body react as if it's happening for real, building true readiness. VR is more than a video game, it's a revolution in training for high-risk jobs. It creates a safe space to experience the pressure, the urgency, and the complexity of real emergencies. In industries like mining and construction, a single mistake can be fatal. Workers face unpredictable hazards every day, and preparation is their best defense. VR builds experience in a safe, repeatable environment, boosting confidence and competence. Repetition in VR helps workers develop the muscle memory and mental resilience needed to stay calm under pressure. It's like a flight simulator for every dangerous job, democratizing elite-level training. Now, anyone can access the kind of preparation once reserved for pilots and astronauts. We can simulate equipment malfunctions and emergency shutdowns, making workers safer and smarter. Every scenario can be tailored to the specific risks of a job, ensuring no one is caught off guard. This technology is a game-changer for survival, preparing workers for the wildness of their workplace. It empowers teams to face the unknown with confidence and skill. It's saving lives and transforming how we prepare for danger, ushering in a new era where survival is not just about luck, but about preparation, practice, and the power of technology. Traditional safety training is passive and often ineffective. Sitting through PowerPoints and reading manuals doesn't engage instincts. In high-stakes jobs, muscle memory is crucial for swift, correct responses. Real crises don't allow time to recall handbook pages. Instinct is key. Training gaps are dangerous in high-risk environments. You can't safely train recruits at extreme heights or in smoke-filled rooms with lectures. Real-world simulations are limited by safety and logistics. Workers often face their first true emergency on the job, risking lives. We send them in with theoretical knowledge, not practical experience. It's like teaching someone to swim on dry land. They need real practice. Virtual reality bridges the gap between knowing and doing. It takes theoretical knowledge and transforms it into practical skills. Imagine being able to step into a hazardous environment without any real-world consequences. That's the power of VR. With a VR headset, you're in the danger zone but completely safe. You can experience the intensity and urgency of a real-life situation without the associated risks. This allows for a deeper understanding and better preparation. This immersive experience builds real experience without real risk. You can interact with your environment, make decisions, and see the outcomes of those decisions in real time. It's a safe space to learn and grow. Instead of reading about a fire extinguisher, you use it in VR. You get hands-on experience that is invaluable. You learn the weight, the feel, and the operation of the equipment as if you were using it in a real emergency. Mistakes in VR become powerful learning moments, not disasters. You can make errors, see the consequences, and learn from them without any real-world repercussions. This kind of learning is incredibly effective. You can practice dangerous procedures repeatedly until they become second nature. Repetition builds confidence and competence, ensuring that when you face the real thing, you're ready. VR builds critical muscle memory for real-world situations. Your body learns the motions and actions required, making your responses almost automatic in a real emergency. It turns clumsy actions into expert reactions, forging survivors. The more you practice, the better you get, transforming your initial awkward attempts into smooth, confident actions. VR allows training for rare, dangerous, or expensive real-life events. You can prepare for situations that you might never encounter but need to be ready for, just in case. We can simulate catastrophic failures. These are events that are too dangerous or costly to replicate in real life, but with VR, you can experience them and learn how to handle them. And test teams in extreme scenarios. Teamwork and communication are critical in emergencies, and VR allows teams to practice and refine these skills under pressure. This prepares them for low-probability, high-consequence disasters. Being ready for the unexpected can make all the difference in a crisis. It's the ultimate stress test for people and procedures. You can see how well your plans hold up under pressure and make adjustments as needed. VR training is about building resilience and problem-solving skills. It challenges you to think on your feet and come up with solutions in real time. It prepares workers for chaos and unpredictability in real crises. When the unexpected happens, you'll be ready to respond effectively. This hands-on practice is what makes VR training so powerful. It's not just about watching or reading, it's about doing and experiencing. VR is a revolution in how we prepare for the risks of high-stakes jobs. It offers a level of preparation that was previously impossible. It's a game changer for survival, making workers safer and smarter. The confidence and skills gained through VR training are invaluable. This technology is saving lives and transforming training. It's not just about learning, it's about becoming better prepared for whatever comes your way. VR training isn't just a futuristic concept or a passing trend. It's delivering spectacular, measurable results in real workplaces today. Across industries, companies are seeing the impact firsthand, as employees engage with immersive, hands-on learning experiences that go far beyond traditional classroom methods. Companies using VR are reporting dramatic reductions in workplace accidents and injuries, with some organizations seeing incident rates drop by as much as 40%. These improvements aren't just numbers, they represent real people going home safe every day. United Rentals, for example, has implemented VR training for heavy equipment operators, resulting in a deeper, more practical understanding of safety protocols and hazard awareness among their workforce. Trainees are able to internalize the dangers they might face on the job, making them less likely to make costly or dangerous mistakes when it matters most. In the energy sector, VR is preparing offshore rig workers for high-stress emergencies, giving them the confidence and muscle memory to respond quickly and effectively when real crises arise. One worker even credited his VR training for his calm, decisive response during a real fire, saying the simulation made the emergency feel familiar and manageable. The financial case is equally compelling. VR training helps prevent costly accidents, reduces downtime, and lowers insurance premiums, making it a smart investment for any safety-focused organization. At Walmart, VR training has not only cut costs, but also boosted employee confidence, helping staff feel more prepared to handle challenging situations on the job. Workers consistently report feeling more prepared, valued, and engaged after VR training, which in turn boosts morale and strengthens team cohesion. VR training creates safer, more confident workers who are ready to face the challenges of their jobs with new skills and a renewed sense of purpose. It's not just about preventing incidents, it's about saving lives and ensuring every worker returns home safely at the end of the day. VR training is a proven, effective method that's transforming safety culture and setting a new standard for workplace training everywhere. When companies invest in VR, they're sending a powerful message to their teams and communities. Safety is a top priority, and innovation is the path forward. This technology is revolutionizing training, saving lives, and shaping a safer, more confident workforce for the future. VR training comes to life with incredible technology. The VR headset is your window into the virtual world. Modern headsets offer high-resolution displays and spatial audio. Controllers and haptic feedback enable interaction and realism. Haptic gloves provide touch sensations, enhancing immersion. This sensory immersion makes training stick, forming strong memories. It's active, hands-on learning at its most advanced. Sophisticated software powers these interactive simulations. Game engines create photorealistic environments and dynamic scenarios. The hardware and software together create a powerful training tool. VR training is revolutionizing how we prepare for high-risk jobs. AI elevates VR from simple simulation to smart training. It tracks actions, providing insights for personalized improvement. AI-powered analytics offer targeted feedback for trainees. Virtual instructors provide real-time guidance and correction. AI introduces random events, teaching adaptability and problem-solving. It prepares trainees for real-world chaos and unpredictability. AI creates a dynamic learning loop, reinforcing correct actions. This technology builds resilience and problem-solving skills. AI and VR together create a powerful, personalized training system. VR adoption faces challenges starting with cost. Developing customized training software requires investment. Smaller companies may struggle with initial costs. Custom content is needed for specific environments and tasks. Not everyone is comfortable with VR headsets initially. Trainers need to learn how to manage VR sessions effectively. Keeping technology and content up to date is crucial. Collaboration is needed to overcome these hurdles. The goal is safer workplaces for everyone. The effort is worth the view from the top. The future of VR safety training is exciting. Hardware advancements will make VR more seamless and natural. The merger of VR and AR offers real-time safety guidance. AI instructors will become more sophisticated and empathetic. Future AI tutors will understand actions and emotional states. This creates a personalized training partner for each user. VR will enable global teams to train together in virtual spaces. This fosters a global culture of safety and preparedness. The technology will become more connected and collaborative. VR training is transforming safety and preparing workers for the future. We stand at a pivotal moment in workplace safety. VR training is a proven, effective method saving lives now. We need a collective effort to embrace this new frontier. The mission is to make every workplace as safe as possible. Employees should advocate for VR training in high-risk jobs. Managers and leaders must explore this technology seriously. The cost of accidents outweighs the investment in VR training. Investing in VR sends a powerful message. Safety is a priority. Share this message with friends and family in high-risk industries. Demand this technology to make it the standard across industries. We have a chance to prevent injuries and save lives. With courage and innovation, we can make it happen. Stay prepared and stay safe. This is a call to action for a safer future.